can't judge. Can't judge you, baby girl. Girl, you can't judge, but you can't judge.
No, I'm so excited. It just doesn't feel like I'm going somewhere because it's late. I don't know why, but I'll be in Tulum tomorrow. Y'all can tell I'm new to this. Delta has a whole freaking shuttle bus to take you to the international side. Like, I'm over here looking for gate 134. Can't find it, child. Feel like I'm about to hop on a PJ. 7:46. T-minus little less than 3 hours before Deja gets here. Got my oh yes, oh they cute. I ate the chips.
Happy vacation!
Cute.
Alright, this is showtime. My name is Liu Ol. I'm sexy.
Oh gosh, it's day 2. What's this tour called? The
Cenotes. Oh, and we ride bikes, right?
yeah, bikes and something else. I feel like that's not how you say it. I don't know if this is too big for me. Cause my feet close to touch the ground.
You said too big.
I think it might be too tall. Cause my feet close to touch the ground. I'm gonna do this one. Oh yeah, this is way better. We're at our first cenote. I think that's how I'm saying it right. Hey guys, so I'm sitting here at the airport. Please excuse how I'm looking, and I'm editing this video. And I just want to say that it's cenote, not cenote, not cenote, none of that. It's cenote, and I keep saying it wrong. Like, it's cenote, 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 cenote. So I apologize for pronouncing this wrong multiple times, but continue watching and enjoy.
And a German guy the other day who was like, yeah, we had like 7 leagues in theory.
Yeah. Finished our first cenote. We're going to the second one. It was really nice. The water was fairly not too cold. I just didn't really want to get my hair wet, but I don't know. We'll see. We have like I think 2 or 3 more. So yes, sun's out now. It's warmer, so it feels great.
Fishy. Because you'll find this kind of fishes, lobsters, shrimps, lobsters, crabs, freshwater lobsters. This way. Really? Wow. Lost on the water, my friend. Mayan technology.
3, 2,
You can start as well.
1.
Get there.
Who does want to feel good?
I ain't gotta run. I don't want to run. Can I get a count for it? Yeah.
Dale, amiga, you can do it. Adios, amiga. Hasta la vista, baby.
Scared.
1, 2, 3, tequila.
The tequila got me the drunk.
The ride was in like a 650. The left, my recommendation is no, because the left, especially with the sunlight touching the water, have natural mud.
My helmet flying off. Okay, I'm good. It's us on the freaking porch with a GPS on. Coco Loco.
Coco Loco.
Thank you. We say Coco Loco. It's so good. It's so good. Pretty. Oh, she got nachos. I got quesadilla. We are trying coffee tequila.
Let me see.
It's nice too. It's a cute shot, guys. We tried. Wow.
I like this cooking because it's crunchy.
You see the extra bit.
It's not that bad. You can like all.
It's like very smooth. Good morning. We're headed to the gym, the Tulum Jungle Gym. Guys, this is our last day. Look at this beautiful view. It's our last day. We're about to leave. I just want to say bye, you guys, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next week.
Baby, you